YouTube. No introduction, no nothing. We going back into the motherfucking vlogs, you feel me? Let's get this shit done. So I filmed a video not too long, well, I say not too long ago, but for me, not too long ago. And I was figuring out well, I think it was the last video I posted actually. Trying to figure everything out. Anywho, I'm finna do these spark plug change. If you know, you know. God darn, I paid at the leg for these motherfuckers. You hear me? Video. We about to get this vlog on the motherfucking road. And my car dirty than a motherfucker. Yeah, I didn't even say what I was saying in the last clip, but I filmed a video not too long ago that I didn't end up posting, but I'm about to do a spark plug change, whatever. And then y'all gonna see in the other vlog, but I'm getting into that in this video today. There's something happened with my wheel. So if y'all haven't watched that video already, go watch that video and then come back to this one so that it makes sense. After we do our spark plugs and stuff, we're gonna weld this wheel. Hopefully we ain't have no more problems after that. And then I'll probably end up redoing my wheels or something, I don't know. But I'm about to set this camera up and getting this shit done. Alright, so we got the first one out. I ain't gonna show the whole process, but these AC Delco. Y'all see what we got down there, NGK. I'm gonna take one of these out actually. Let's see. It ain't too big of a difference, but obviously you can see that one burnt down. That one burnt on. I know that. Oh, you supposed to touch it, I don't want to hear all that shit, but yeah, I shaved these so I have better performance. So you probably like that shit look fucked up, but I already pre-shaved them. If you know, you know. I ain't finna explain all that shit, but yeah, we putting these in, and yeah. Alright, so we got everything back buttoned up, you feel me? I just put all these up here, but I'll show y'all real quick. I don't know, Chad, I feel like we was good for another like 50,000 miles, what y'all think? Oh, my fault. Alright, man, so I forgot to pick up the camera, but we got the wheel off. And if you watched the other video by now, you will know that I fucked up this wheel hub, I had to replace it. I had a spinning stud on there that I had to drill out because it was like free spinning, and I got that figured out. But yeah, right now I'm cleaning off the wheel. As y'all can see, there go the crack right there. And it's completely fine. I'd have been to Texas and back with this wheel on. Man, that's what we're dealing with right now. So I'm about to take this wheel in the house. I don't feel like sitting out here and doing it. I don't know if that's dumb or not to wheel inside, but we about to do it anyway. Fuck it. Alright, so I got most of the air out of the tire, but all of it ain't out for me to be able to take it off the damn bead or whatever. So I'm gonna have to stand on this motherfucker, bro. Or something, I don't know. The shit I do to fix my car and film for YouTube, man, this shit crazy. Hey, this motherfucker pretty low already, but you ain't got no pressure to get the rest of the air out. Probably literally finna have to stand on this motherfucker. Alright, let's see if we can get this motherfucker off now. Alright, so we weren't able to get this mug off, but we're gonna get this mug put in the car and took to a tire shop, cause yeah, if that ain't gonna do it and get that motherfucker off, we good and cooked, you feel me? Alright, gotta find some, see if they can get it done real quick. I'm leave the camera in here and let y'all know if they'll be able to do it when I get back. We at Old Faithful, y'all already know, you hear me? No, we wouldn't have been able to do that shit by ourselves. About to get this mug, take it back to the crib. I'm gonna weld it and bring it back up here. Alright, man, so we got the mug back here now. And we got the welder. I'm about to set all this stuff up. I ain't gonna film the process, this shit gonna take too long to try to get all that. But I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done. Alright, man, so we got it welded. I mean, not welded, I'm lying like a mother. Ready to have that shit done, ain't it? Well, I gotta set it down. Basically to bare metal where I need to weld it at. Y'all can see like the crack, it was just small as it seemed like on this, just on this side, but obviously I ain't have the tire off, so you couldn't see, but yeah. Got that mother sanded and filed down. Yeah, look like so. Ghost glasses on. Oh shit. You know what? I can't see shit. No, they keep falling off. Try to hold this real quick. So I can't keep them in the rest. Got it work. Got it permanent. We back in bed. No leaks. You hear me? Do what you want. On that. I forgot to mention it is indeed the next day though. But as far as now, sitting fine. No problems. I do got all this shit in the back seat. That's the welder and all that shit in the jack stands, all that. I'm gonna go take this in the house and then we finna hit the road cause my dudes need our help, goddamn. So we on the way. My dudes call, everything go.